Students, in previous part 1 video of exercise 7.9, I have solved their 3 questions, and in this video part 2, I will be solving 3 more questions from this exercise. First, let me solve question number 13. So lower limit here is 2, upper limit is 3, and our fx or the function is x by x square plus 1. Now here the function x by x square plus 1 cannot be integrated directly, so we need to modify the function. So in order to modify the function, we need to replace the denominator, that is x square plus 1 by t. Then we differentiate both sides. So after differentiating, we will get 2x into dx equals to dt, and then x dx will be dt by 2. So we need to replace this x dx by dt by 2 here, and x square plus 1, which is the denominator, will be replaced by t. So after replacing in the question, this question will get modified and it will be half integration 2 to 3 dt by t. So this 1 by 2 is taken outside because it's a constant of integration. Now here we can integrate this function. So integration of dt by t is log t. Lower limit is 2, upper limit is 3. Now we have to replace back this t by x square plus 1. So after replacing, we will get this, and here first we need to put the upper limit where there is x, and then we put the lower limit. Upper limit is 3, so log 3 square plus 1, then minus, and again here we have to put the lower limit, log 2 square plus 1. So here we simplify. So 3 square plus 1 is 10, and 2 square plus 1 is 5. So half log 10 minus log 5. So there is another formula related to log a minus log b equals to log a by b, can be written as log 10 by 5. So this will get cancelled because it has common factor 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So it will be half log 2. So this is our answer. Let me solve question number 17 here. In this question, our lower limit is 0, upper limit is pi by 4, and the function here is 2 sec square x plus x cube plus 2. And by observing this function, we can see that this function can be directly integrated. So no modification is needed here. 2 remain as it is because it is constant of integration. And integration of sec square x dx is 10x, then there is plus sign. Integration of x cube dx is x to the power 4 by 4, then this plus sign, and integration of 2 dx is 2x. So lower limit is 0 and upper limit is pi by 4. Now after integration, we put the upper limit and then we put the lower limit in this function. So here 2 remain as it is, 10x replaced by pi by 4, plus this x also replaced by upper limit pi by 4 whole to the power 4 by 4, plus 2, and again this x replaced by upper limit pi by 4, then minus sign, and now we have to put the lower limit. 2 10 lower limit is, instead of x, 0, plus lower limit here is 0, so 0 by 4, plus here lower limit is 0, so 2 into 0 0. Now we have to simplify here. Then 2 10 pi by 4 is 1, because tan 45 degree is 1, plus here pi to the power 4 by, this will go to the denominator, 4 to the power 4, and into this 4, plus here there is a common factor between 2 and 4, so we can cancel that common factor, and then it will be pi by 2. Now here after simplification, we get 2 plus pi to the power 4 by 1024 plus pi by 2. So we can't simplify further, so this is our answer. Now let me solve question number 20. Here lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1, and the function here is x e to the power x plus sine pi x by 4. So let us split this integration. So first one is limit 0 to 1 x e to the power x dx plus integration 0 to 1 sine pi x by 4 dx. So we have to integrate them separately. So here the function is now x e to the power x. What we do here is we forget about the lower limit and upper limit. First we have to integrate the function. Here there is a product of two functions. One function is x, another is e to the power x. So we have to choose e to the power x as a first function and this x will be the second function. Now applying the rule of product of integration, second function integration of first function minus integration of within bracket differentiation of second function into integration of first function plus this will remain as it is. Now here we integrate, so x into integration of e to the power x dx will be e to the power x. The lower limit here is 0, upper limit is 1, then minus, and here ddx of x is 1 and integration of e to the power x dx is e to the power x, then plus sign. So here we use the formula integration of sine nx. So n here is pi by 4, which is a constant. The formula for the integration of sine nx is minus cos nx by n. So using that formula here, it will be minus cos, our n is pi by 4 into x by n is pi by 4. Our lower limit here is 0 and upper limit is 1. Next we integrate here. So this first term and last term will remain as it is, and integration of e to the power x dx will be again e to the power x. Now we put the upper limit first and then we put the lower limit. So here first we put the upper limit is 1, so 1 e to the power 1 minus, and lower limit here is 0, so 0 into e to the power 0 will be 0, then this minus sign, and upper limit here is 1, so e to the power 1 minus e to the power, our lower limit is 0, and minus 4 by pi, and cos, here it will be cos pi by 4 minus, here if we put the lower limit then it will be cos 0. Now after simplification, from here you will get e only, then minus, here e to the power 1 will be e, then minus into minus plus, e to the power 0 will be 1, then minus 4 by pi within bracket cos pi by 4 means cos 45 degree, which is 1 by root 2 minus cos 0 is 1. So this e and e will get cancelled, then 1 minus, here if you multiply 4 by pi root 2, then minus into minus plus, 4 by pi into 1 is 4 by pi. Now here middle term we have to rationalize, so 1 plus 4 root 2 by pi root 2 into root 2, so this plus 4 by pi, and here root 2 into root 2 will be 2, and that 2 will cancel this 4 2 times, so remaining from here will be 2 root 2 by pi. So at last we get 1 plus 4 by pi minus 2 root 2 by pi. So this is our answer. So from exercise 7.9 I have done 13, 17 and 20. So it rest you try by yourself.